Due to an intensive and prolific foreign exchange program known as slavery, there are literally dozens of Creole languages spoken around the world. So to give us a little bit of an overview and to give you an idea of what the Creole landscape looks like, let's talk about the geographic distribution of Creoles that are based on European languages. French-based Creoles are found in places like Haiti, then Lesser Antilles in the Caribbean, the Mascarene Islands in the Indian Ocean, and Louisiana in North America. English-based Creoles can be found in the Caribbean, South America, North America, Asia, Polynesia, basically everywhere you can imagine. Portuguese-based Creoles are found in the ABC Islands of the Southern Caribbean, the former Portuguese colonies in Africa, and even parts of India, which that seems like something we need to be talking about more. And you can find Spanish-based Creoles like Palenquero and Chabacano spoken in South America and the Philippines, respectively. So to sum up, Creole languages are found all across the globe, and while to some degree their very existence is a testament to a kind of heartbreaking history, they're also a reflection of super vibrant and fascinating cultures. So whether they're rooted in French, English, Portuguese, Dutch, Spanish, each Creole tells a different story about the people who speak it, and looking into these languages can not only be revealing linguistically, it also lets us know something about us as people, how we adapt and continue to change. And it's a reminder that language itself is constantly changing and endlessly interesting. Anyway, thanks for watching. I've been Daniel. See you on the next one.